Seconds away now. In fact, about 5 seconds from housing data, and Rick Santelli standing by at the CME in Chicago. Rick, the numbers, please.
Good morning, Joe. Yes, we're looking for housing starts for the month of July. Permits, this is a preliminary first of two we'll get for July. Starts expected just a whisker under 1.3 million, come in significantly stronger. 1,428,000. That is a nice jump from 1,321,000, which was last month. And that was the lowest since the previous month, which was 1.2 plus million. But the numbers have been on the downside. This really is a strong number. It's the strongest number going all the way back to February, and it would mark the second strongest pace of the year for starts. If we look at the permit side, a little bit light, 1,354,000. That's about 30,000 light. And it follows 1,393,000. So it's still a bit on the light side. And if we look at this number, it comps to the same place last month's did, to June of 2020. So permits are light, which means maybe down the road we're not going to get significant building. Many are paying attention to the inventory levels of single family, which are actually on the high side, and pointing towards potentially more aggressive tendencies towards the multifamily side. We know affordability is number one issue, and even though we've seen mortgage rates briefly move down into the 660s, by historical standards, that might not be too bad. But if you look at history over the last 10 years, well, it is definitely on the high side. Interest rates, well, as that number came out, not a significant change. We're hovering at 4.32 and a 10. That's down 1 versus yesterday's close, and around 3.75 in a 2-year. That's down a couple of basis points. The big driving force this week may be the minutes, but also Jackson Hole. But in the end, many believe that the very significant percentages for a rate cut at the September meeting are overplayed. But if that's true, keep an eye out for major guidance from Jackson Hole, because the Fed doesn't like to disappoint the market. Joe, back to you.